watching our viewers and subscribers. Now tell me say I saw no stay. I saw no stay. So how comes you never tell me say Quada a big bad rider? All a bus tons and them someday. Eh? Yeah man the Scully I do him thing man peeps says me. But none of that we really come yourself to talk about though. So here we are go on. I go clustered everything up and give you on it, you see me? So you can enjoy the video today, you see me peeps? Alright, so watch a prayer peeps. So last night Masicka performed on Dragon Stout Instagram live. And me I tell you say yo the performance people John it come like people with dead the way the man a deal with it. No, so me all have the full video people, but I could have afford for like put it in other whole thing, yeah, cause like that I take up your whole live vlog and shit, you see me? Yeah, but me just want to share it the piece the same way, cause you don't know the thing go. But if you don't miss it, I feel like say yo, I know something for me. So if you want to watch it, go over upon my Instagram page, over upon the trendy dancer, and you can watch a full video, you see me? Yeah, man. But may I tell you, yo, Masicka rock the stage, make it look like people there beyond the camera. May I tell you, yo, no jokes, the man level of energy and belief and confidence. Yo, Masicka, yeah, do your thing, dog. Remember that. But I know for the money. And I could say that though, cause them money, the type of song where give people, you see me, funds and everything, it varies, you see me, so, a dog well humble, you see me, so. A mad thing, man, Masicka, big up yourself. But end of the day now, people, you know, so I'm really forward out for talk about that nigga your name. Up top, Grimmy. You see me? Up top, camp him come from. But a Grimmy dog name, but we just mix that with it, you see me? So, we see up top boss Teejay first make a post, man, I gotta tell no lie, you see me? All know I can't believe this January, we never have to kill him. So, the fan page make that post, you see me, differently. Teejay, they take a while for like actually make a post, you see me. And I can see say yo them afford from afar a longer time, you see me. So a dog is lose a real soldier, man, I go tell no lie still, you see me. And my condolence goes out, you see me. You know so me all did end up go over upon Teejay page and in the whole situation everything that take place is like he remove all and picture them, you see me. And make a one post with him charge. No jokes, and it really no people, it really will take place, real. My hear say somewhere off Mullan Road, something like that. You see me, my hear say a 3 shot. Him probably get around 3 shot, you see me differently. But it real man people, him name Grimmy. See the same song with Teejay drop on him I say like jump out now the jeep. You see me? Grimmy go get a grand bag. You see me that said look a phrase a line there, you see me? I said nigga the people, so as you can see him last a soldier very close to him, you see me? And it real man, you see me, I know that feel, you see me, so all my day I'm just say I'm just send out the condolences, you see me? Where me stay up and I go really just jump and do a vlog, you see me, if I get information from a good source on them someday, you see me? Yeah man, the J, the name Rome me I hear and differently me I hear say a 3 person get shot up like come say, you see me? I mean hear say yo a mall road. That's how it happened, you see me? So well the people them are wait on confirmation for save such and such of them die same, you see me? But condolence. As in condolence to the nigga named Grimmy because he won't confirm, you see me? Yeah man people, so watch a prayer. I hope I can put a smile on your face with that nigga yeah. You see me, even if I for the girl them, you see me, we don't love man, I don't know them style they already still, but watch out now, the Jamaican Black Jackson this my find it youth. I know if you ask me, I could tell you where him get them moves there yo. But yo, the dog just go viral from the other day on my gram yo. Check him out there.
This is Ghetto Jackson, okay people?
I am Michael Jackson.
Oh my god! It's Ghetto Jackson!
You're the best!
Okay.
When I know you want to be like Michael Jackson, like you used to idolize him from your baby or come up or whatever. So why your favorite Michael Jackson song? Why your favorite? The whole of them, you must have a special one.
What is
man.
your favorite Michael Jackson move?
Beat it.
Move?
Beat it?
No,
Give me a
dance
piece of the
move.
beat it. Give me a piece of the beat it.
Just beat it. Get your Jackson. Go, Michael.
Yeah, man, people, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, share to a friend, family member. It no matter. The trend is this. Here's me out.